going to take a real quick peek here. We're up here at Sonic St. Peter's Friday night. It's kind of early. I'm going to take a little bit of peek at what's out here for now. Just walk around a little bit and kind of take a peek at the cars. And we will get more detailed here when there's a few more cars out here to look at.
I guess it's Tuesday morning, so.
Nice looking old car.
Yeah.
See if we can walk over here and kind of see that Chevy pulling up. Very cool. Man, I'm liking that car. The Black Beauty. Take a look at this 57 Chevy over here. Beautiful car. Hi. Very nice.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Take a look at this Mustang down here. Very cool. Oh.
Maybe not. I don't know. I had it. Really? Oh, yeah. Shit. Yeah. Oh, my God.
Very, very nice.
Well, anyway, once it gets up to the top RPMs, then it really starts turning on. It's just, just that what is it?
Excuse me, guys. Whose car is this?
Right?
Very nice. Is that a 351 Cleveland engine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's what I was thinking. I was thinking that the radiator went into the top of the block versus something different. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That's what I was thinking. Pretty cool.
Thank you.
This right here is what I was talking about.
No, it's right about in the middle, not far from the distributor. Yep.
Whose car is this one?
That's mine.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
I put this on one of my thumbnails on a YouTube video. It's
Really?
got 211 likes on it just
Oh,
from
yeah?
a couple weeks ago.
Just this car?
Yeah, just a thumbnail. I did the whole car cruise, but
Cool.
Thanks.
yeah,
These guys have all the best stuff.
they do,
Oh
don't
my
they?
gosh. All their friends are jealous of what they have.
All right. We're going to take a look at this car real quick. This is a beauty. Suicide doors. It's Plymouth. And he's got her shined up too.
One year, Kenny Ron won chrome, $2 a piece. Now they're giving $2. That plate,
And that's a nice car.
that one played $2. That ain't had a fee to play trip.
I don't know if you can see this. That little boat that's in the light there. That's what it looks like. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Take a look at the inside here. Pretty cool. I'm liking it. All right, we're going to walk over here and check out this 442. That's a really nice looking car here. Very nice. It's got a Chevy Blueprint engine in there. Very neat. Walk up this way a little bit more. All right, well, I think I'm going to call it quits on videoing tonight. We will see you next time. Thanks for watching.